everyone, welcome to my channel. Indoor gardens can bring a touch of nature into your home, purify the air, and enhance the overall ambience. Here are some indoor garden ideas to consider. Herb garden. Create a small herb garden on your kitchen windowsill. Grow herbs like basil, rosemary, mint, and thyme for fresh and flavorful ingredients. Vertical gardens. Utilize wall space by installing vertical gardens or wall mounted planters. This not only adds greenery but also saves floor space. Hanging plants. Use hanging planters or macrame plant hangers to suspend plants from the ceiling or hooks. This adds visual interest and saves space. Indoor trees. Consider large potted trees like fiddle, leaf figs, rubber plants, or palms to create a statement piece in your home. Windowsill gardens. Line your windowsills with an array of indoor plants. This is an excellent way to utilize natural light and enhance your view. Indoor vegetable garden. Grow vegetables like cherry tomatoes, lettuce, or microgreens in containers. This is a fun and practical way to have fresh product at home. Cacti and succulents. These low maintenance plants are perfect for indoor settings. Arrange them in decorative pots or planters. Bonsai trees. Bonsai trees are not only beautiful but also a form of art. They require careful pruning and maintenance. Atrium or conservatory. If you have the space, consider creating a dedicated indoor garden rooms with large ornamental plants and seating. Moss wall. Construct a moss wall or a living wall made of lush green moss for a unique and calming effect. Aquatic Aquatic garden. Set up a small indoor aquarium with aquatic plants and fish, providing both greenery and a tranquil focal point. Fairy garden. Create a miniature fairy garden with teeny plants, figurines, and other magical elements. Air plants. Air plants don't require soil and can be displayed creatively in terrariums, terrariums on driftwood, or even in hanging glass globes. Plant shelves. Install floating shelves or display an array of plants in decorative pots and containers. Scented garden. Choose aromatic plants like lavender, jasmine, or scented geraniums to infuse your home with delightful fragrances. Indoor water garden. Incorporate a small indoor water feature with aquatic plants like water lilies or water hyacinths. Seasonal decor. Change your indoor garden with seasons featuring seasonal flowers and decorations. When creating your indoor garden, be mindful of the lighting, temperature, and humidity requirements of the plants you choose. Also consider the aesthetics of your home and your personal style to create a space that's both beautiful and functional.